Hey everyone, if Google Meet keeps disconnecting during your calls, cutting out randomly, or dropping you from meetings, don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple fixes to stabilize your connection so your meetings stay smooth and uninterrupted. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Google Meet relies heavily on consistent bandwidth, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, disconnections can happen often. Next, restart your router. So unplug it for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes your connection and can fix temporary network issues causing Google Meet to disconnect. Now close any apps that are using a lot of internet in the background. I mean, downloads, streaming services, or cloud backups can all interfere with your Google Meet connection. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. A direct connection is usually much more stable and significantly reduces the chances of being disconnected during meetings. Make sure your browser is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause instability in Google Meet, so check for updates and restart your browser after updating. After applying these fixes, rejoin your Google Meet call and monitor your connection. If everything is stable, you should no longer experience random disconnections during meetings. And that's how you fix Google Meet keeps disconnecting issues. These simple steps usually solve the problem right away and keep your calls stable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.